if you are watching this video, I think it is already late for you to join in mining tomato coin. So right now, I'm telling you right now, it's not too late. Go ahead and use the link in my description box to join as soon as possible. You can see how easy it is to earn and how easy it is to mine tomato coin. Right now, I have just 600 plus tomato coin, and right now I've already have over 1000 in few seconds just by me clicking on the farming button. So right now, as quick as you can earn over 20,000 tomato coin within few seconds. So just go ahead to the task button. Let's make sure you complete all the tasks, which I will be going ahead right now, and make sure I click on it. So follow this step by step I'll be doing here. So first go ahead and also add emoji to your name. This will instantly give you a 10,000 tomato coin. So right now, this is how easy, how fast you can quickly join us in mining tomato coin. So right now, I'm showing you this on my new Telegram page, and I've actually earned over thousands of tomato coin in my other wallets. So right now, just go ahead, click on open your Telegram page. I'm very sure you are familiar with Telegram application. Go ahead, connect your budget wallet, add emoji to your name. So adding emoji to your name will give you 10,000 tomato. So let's go ahead and add the emoji to our name, and you click on claim. So after adding it, just click on claim. It will automatically, you can see 10,000 is successfully added. Very easy, very simple. This is how you can go ahead and also make a mine tomato app. So I'll be going ahead here and completing the other task to show you guys how easy you can actually do this. So right now, I have over 10,000 tomato in my coin. So I'll be going ahead again and clicking on the task. So let me just go ahead and click on it again. So I complete more tasks so I can quickly earn as a new user that I am. So you are new here, you are watching this video for the first time, go ahead and quickly join the tomato announcement so we can actually get updated. Yes, you are hearing some rumors. Okay, right now there is a new updated listing date that will be coming ahead that for everybody that has joined will be able to connect your wallet. You will be able to also change your tomato coin into USDT. Also make sure you can trade it. So this is just your time. Give it a try now. Don't give up on saying it is already late. So this time right now, go ahead and complete this task. Let's make over 20,000 tomato in few seconds in this video. So right now, you go ahead, you can see people commenting, so you can go ahead and also join, and make sure you go ahead and comment, and quickly make sure you can read all the comments. Follow each step that they have done ahead so that you don't miss out on anything. This group is already full, so you can join. So go ahead and subscribe to all the standard tasks, time limited tasks, and also on. So right now, I'll go ahead and join everything in this video to show you guys how you can do it. If you are new to crypto, and this is actually the best video you can watch right now, as I'll be showing you this, you can see right now I have over 20,000 tomato already. This is how easy you can earn on this. So the next way you can actually earn is by to invite people to earn. So invite your friend, you get 2,000. Invite a premium friend, you get over 20,000. So the next one is how to connect your wallets. So first, as in you are new to crypto, you don't know what is called budget wallet, just go ahead. You have an Android phone, you have an iPhone, just go to your Play Store, go to your App Store. So now I'll be taking you guys to the Play Store. You can see right now I have a budget wallet, so download it, and now let's go over and open it. You can see how easy it is to open a budget wallet right now. So right now, this is inside my budget wallet. So just click on create wallets, and if you already add, just import a wallet if you're already a budget user. But for new user who are new to crypto, who want to join the crypto mining boost of tomato, so just click on create and click on create now. So when you click on create now, you set a pin code. These are just 6 digits you can remember anytime. Make sure you input the 6 digits. So after that, you can see you are creating your wallet, fetching the mainnet data, and your wallet is ready now. So within few seconds, this is actually very ready. So you don't need to stress, you don't need to go much, and you can see wallet successful created. This is done within few minutes. Just a minute is done already. So you have your wallet ready. So right now, let's quickly go to the tomato coin in Telegram and quickly link it together. So okay, so you have this already. So even any other incoming mining airdrop, this wallet will actually be very, very useful. So right now, and go ahead and make sure you keep your backup phrase. Make sure your wallet is secure. Now let's go back to the Tomarket app. So you can see right now to connect right now, it's saying it's under maintenance. So actually you can still keep trying right now, as right now it's under maintenance. So you can go ahead and check up later. Keep checking, make sure you link and connect your wallet, and make sure in your wallet you have a $1 in any assets. So for new user, for new crypto, you can actually go ahead and comment your ton address. You will see a link to my Telegram page. Join my Telegram page and drop your ton address. I will choose randomly and send $1 to each of any of the address. So right now, let's go ahead here. You can see right now I make over 20,000, 27,000. Imagine inviting a premium Telegram user which can give you over 20,000 at once. So you can also go ahead and connect your wallet to give you 5,000 when you are successful. Join all those time limited tasks where you can actually make more. So these are just the easiest way you can actually just earn my Tomato coin. So connecting your wallet right now is under maintenance. Make sure you have $1 and comment your ton address. So I can forward, choose randomly and pick 5 winners that will earn my ton address. So right now, to go ahead and join us. Use the link in the description box. Join us. Let's mine together. Let's make money together. You can also go ahead and check my other videos on how I'm showing you guys now you can make money. So you can see right now you have 3 ways to make money. Clicking on this, there are games here. So let's go ahead and play some games, and let me show you guys on how you can also mine when you are less busy. So okay, if you are less busy, few seconds, go ahead and click on it and make sure you avoid the bomb one. So right now, because you can earn as much as fast as this, just need to be fast. Click on your screen, tap as much as much, and actually you don't need to tap your screen all the time. You can still go ahead, invite people, complete all tasks, then you make more, you mine more tomato. So right now this is 3 seconds. So let me see how much I'll earn when I'm done. So you can see right now I earn 147 tomato just by doing this. So let's go ahead, let's go back. This is just an example to show you guys on how this work on this platform. So right now guys, I've earned. So this is how you can join us as quick as possible. Invite your friend, get more. Also click on those trees where you can actually invite and all that. So guys, comment your turn. Let me do a giveaway of randomly. Copy your link, share with your friend. Let's make money together. So you joining every day will actually give you more tomato app. So complete task and order. So guys, this is how you can join us. Subscribe, complete all tasks, share this with your friend, and let's all mine together, as this does not involve you having any capital, just your time. You play the game, you subscribe, and join us in mine. So guys, at this point, thank you for watching. On my channel, I post videos on how you can make money online. Join me and comment tomato in the comment section.